Hello students, today I've got history lecture. We'll be doing today lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is Science and Technology. In your textbook, page number 37. Students, I will discuss what are the important points in this lesson. So please pay attention. Listen carefully, keep the chapter in front of you. Now see in this chapter what we are going to discuss. Now here India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru set up the Indian Atomic Energy Commission on 10th August 1948. Dr. Homi Bhabha was appointed as the first chairman of the commission. In 1956, the Department of Atomic Energy set up Apsara, a nuclear reactor functioning an atomic energy. In 1969, in 1969, an atomic power station was set up at Tarapur Reactor Research Center was set up at Kalpakami in Tamil Nadu to successfully use an institution called Heavy Water Project, an institution called Heavy Water Project was set up to carry out research on manufacturing heavy water within the country, which was later renamed Heavy Water Board. In 1985, In 1985, a completely Indian-made nuclear reactor called Dhurva was started at Trombay near Mumbai. Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited was set up in 1987 to generate electricity from atomic energy. Dr. Homi Sathana, the chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission, and Dr. Raja Ramana, directors of the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, played a major role in conducting nuclear tests. So you will see nuclear test about the nuclear test in this chapter. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi took the decision of carrying out nuclear explosion. So who took the decision? Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. On 11th May 1998, India carried out a second nuclear test proof to its nuclear preparedness. In 1988, India successfully tested the missile Prithvi, and in 1989 the missile Agni. Integrated Guided Missiles development programs was conceived by and carried out under the leadership of Dr. APG Abdul Kalam. In 1990, the missile Akash was developed to free from land into air. Then, in 1961, Indian National Committee for Research, Space Research launched India's first research rocket from Thumba Equatorial Launch Center in Thumba in Kerala. So students, all these important things about the missile, the nuclear test you are going to see in this chapter. Then Indian Space Research Organization was established. So what was established? India Space Research Organization was established. Then you're going to see in this chapter APPLE, that is Aerian Passenger Payload Experiment. Then we'll be discussing in this chapter Indian National Satellite, that is INSAT. Then technological progress made in our country, then telex service, satellite communication center, then international subscriber dialing telephone service, then pin code. We have got pin code. For example, we write in a letters. After writing the letter, we write Malad Mumbai 400071. I've just given example and what is the importance of that pin code. Then we will be discussing about the importance of mobile phone. Then something about Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, about telephones. In form it is called as BSNL. Then we'll also see Oil and Natural Gas Commission, that is ONGC. Then importance of railways and technology. And very important thing about the Konkan Railway, we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, students, so all these things we'll be discussing in this chapter. I will send the link. You will able to understand better with the help of the link. So students, please hear the link very carefully. This lesson is very important and very interesting lesson. So students, back to our lessons on science and technology. Thank you, students.